Here I have DOOGEE V Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off. I mean, not turn off, just hold down power key to enable this turn off menu, and then hold down finger on power off. Then it proposes you reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK, and then your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.